Hey, bro, ain't no motherfucking way, dog. There ain't no goddamn way y'all ain't know this nigga was doing that shit to them kids on that motherfucking island, bro. There ain't no motherfucking way. How the fuck this nigga bought a whole island? Who the president of that island? Who the president? Where the president of the island at? Because clearly we can have islands and just be there by herself with no law enforcement or nothing. Like what the fuck? I can buy a whole island and ain't nobody gonna know shit what I'm doing on that island. That shit crazy as hell to me, bro. I find that crazy as hell. That's how you know hella motherfuckers is involved with this shit. Cause ain't no fucking way. They probably look. This nigga Trump probably said, "Yo, Einstein, go buy this island." It's he just the nigga who's he selling it for like what 80 some million. Go buy it. Can't nobody go there and fuck with you. It's your own shit. You can't nobody fuck with you. So this nigga probably just did some shit. Like, bro, it's hella shit, bro. I ain't even, you know what, bro? Fuck y'all niggas, man.